Hello everybody, today we're going to unpack, take a close-up look and test the HYZUO 13-inch shockproof laptop sleeve for the MacBook Pro 2017. So let's go ahead and open up the package. Alright, we do that by unzipping the top of the package and sliding the contents out from it. So you can see it is quite nicely packaged with an outer Ziploc bag, so we can go ahead, set that to the side right there, and then take a look at the rest of the contents. So there is of course a pouch here, which I'll just set to the side for the time being. As I go ahead and remove the contents from this bubble packaging. Okay, making sure that there's nothing else left inside of it. So we can set that packaging to the side and then, of course, take a look at the shockproof laptop sleeve and the carry pouch that it comes with right here. So right there, contents removed from the packet. Let's first take a look at the pouch here. So let me do some rejigging so that the foreground doesn't become too distracting with the background, or the other way around. So we do have a carry pouch. It has a nice suede texture to it. So it is zippered, and there's some fine detail with the zip or zipper tag. Very nicely finished. Nice high quality finish there, you can see. Very polished, highly polished stainless steel or alloy zipper there. And looking inside, you can see that it has a nylon lining or polyester lining. So right there is the carry pouch or carry case. So it is a soft carry case. There isn't any padding to it, so it just has a nice kind of suede finish, as you can see. I'm trying to show you the detail up close of the carry pouch, and it doesn't leave any marks as well. I'm scratching it with my fingernail. So nice durable covering for the carry pouch. So there's the pouch. Okay, moving on. Also, there is a little fine detail there with the HYZUO embossing, as you can see very faintly on the carry pouch there in that corner. Okay, so we can set the carry pouch to the side now and move on to the main event, which is the 13-inch shockproof laptop sleeve here. So you can see the size of it. And also it does have the same finish as the pouch with the suede texture or suede-like texture. And it does have, once again, a very highly polished zipper right there, as you can see. Very, very, very high shine. And of course, just to show you the thickness as well. So you can see very clearly what this laptop sleeve looks like from all angles. Okay, and trying to give you the detail up close as to the stitching as well. So you can see the stitching right around the edge of the case or laptop sleeve. Okay, just going to pull that zipper down shut so you can see, once again, once I can get focus right there, the level of detail involved. So nice stitching right around the top edge as well. Okay, and just let's open it up now and show you the contents. So there is a sheet of packing material. Let's put that aside. And just to show you the inside of that laptop sleeve here. And it does have a beautifully soft and velvety lining. Extremely pleasant to touch. Very soft and velvety. Okay, just going to show you that detail up close. Okay, so nice and soft indeed. And in terms of padding, there is a little bit of padding between the inner and outer covering. So it will absorb a light amount of shock. And we can, of course, test the size and fitment out of the HYZUO 13-inch shockproof laptop sleeve for the MacBook Pro 2017 by, of course, using a MacBook Pro 2017 and try and fit it inside, and of course going to show you that HYZUO branding again in that bottom right hand corner of the laptop sleeve. So this is a 13-inch laptop sleeve, and of course I do have a MacBook Pro 2017 here, and just laying it just over the top of the laptop sleeve, you can see the size and fitment of it. Okay, I'm just gonna spin it around as well and show you the thickness right there. So that just gives you an external view. Of course, we're going to put it on the inside as well, slot it in and see how that works. And the top side as well. And give you a view this way as well, so you have some idea. And of course now let's go ahead and slot the laptop in the bag right there, or sleeve. So now a better view. And right now it's nice and snug in the laptop sleeve. Let's zip it up. So nice high quality zip there. And there we have it, a nice secure fitment. And of course a very tough zipper there. You can see high quality zipper with good stitching as well. And it's nice to see the highly polished zippers as well. Very high quality finish on the overall design and fitment of the HYZUO 13-inch shockproof laptop sleeve. And in terms of shock absorption, it will take a light amount of shock, as I've mentioned before. So it is going to provide a reasonable amount of protection for your MacBook Pro 2017. So this is the 13-inch version, of course. And let's just unzip it. And let's place the MacBook Pro 2017 there. And of course, there we go. Nice lightweight laptop sleeve right there. The 13-inch HYZUO shockproof laptop sleeve. So that's the HYZUO 13-inch shockproof laptop sleeve. Thanks for watching and happy protecting!